Great. I'm going to show you an example of our arcade in the SDK and how it works. So everyone who leverages the SDK will have the Blabeey Arcade in their games in terms of other game developers. So when I click on this game, for example, you can see this is a Blabeey Arcade. And in as much as I can play this game, check out the settings and do other things, at the top you see the Blabeey Arcade logo. So I'm going to tap that. And that brings me into the tournament mode. So this is where I can see tournaments that are going on, see my tournaments, share the tournament to other folks. And I'm going to go ahead and just click Create Tournament. And this is where I determine how much I want to wager or have people wager in this tournament. I can do a head-to-head against just one player, or I can go ahead and select a number of players. So I'm going to select 50 people that are allowed to play in here. And I'm going to set this for 2 hours, which means that this tournament will only last 2 hours. And then once I hit create, are you sure you want to create the tournament? Create. So now it's created. And you can see some of these other tournaments that I've created. And some of them are closed, and you can see who won. Somebody named Turd Bucket won those games. And each tournament has its own ID, so on and so forth. So then from that point forward, when I close this, so you can see the tournament is created. So now I can go in and play. And when I play the game, and you can also see as that puck is going, if there are any advertisers, they would actually show up in that puck. So I'm going to go ahead and intentionally miss. And you can see my score is 3. And then from here, I can go back into the arcade, and I can kind of see where my position is as well. So so that's it. So that's how the SDK works, and anybody can go in and play this. You can see here, if I want to add more money, I can go to my wallet. I can grab it from whichever account I want, add more money to it. And at the bottom here, there's a leaderboard, and you can see I'm in first place with with only 3 as my score. But as other people played this tournament, you see them there as well. So that's how it works.